Alright, hello everyone. This is Sean. I'm just gonna record my project that I did for our screensaver. For my idea, I've always loved sci-fi movies, space, and different things like that, so I kind of decided to incorporate my screensaver project for that. Um, Over here, I have all my layers that I did. Originally, my base layer was this lady right here with the wine. I really wanted to incorporate the planets into it, so I made it look like one of the planets was inside the wine. And for the thing, I kind of wanted to make it look like she was inside of a window, so I have these two astronauts kind of coming towards her, like they're trying to grab the glass. And to fill up the page, I kind of added a couple more things, such as the moon in the background here, and the little planet, or the big planet, I guess, down here. Um, my main challenge was trying to make the planets not really blend in, but look more natural, I guess. Um, and also trying to find text, or to where to fit the text. So I fit the text right here on the wine bottle. It doesn't look quite natural, but I did the best I could, and what I titled it was The Final Frontier, is kind of what this um, is what my screensaver project title is. Um, kind of off the series or the movie Star Trek, The Final Frontier. So I thought that would have been a cool name. Another thing I had trouble with was the lighting on the woman. She looks a bit saturated, but that's as best as I could get her without looking too dark, I guess you could say. And yeah, thank you for listening to my video. Have a good day.